Why does your scanner show the P2101 engine code, and what it does mean? P2101 stands for Throttle Actuator, A, Control Motor Circuit Range Performance. The P2101 code occurs when the PCM detects a mismatch between the actual and desired throttle positions. This indicates a problem with the Throttle Actuator Control TAC system. It may result in reduced engine performance or limp mode. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Throttle actuator failure, throttle position sensor issue, accelerator pedal position failure, wiring or connector problems, PCM malfunction. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error occurs in OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially those manufactured since 1996. It is commonly found in Audi, Citroën, Chevrolet, Ford, Hyundai, Nissan, Peugeot, Volkswagen, Toyota, and Honda vehicles. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.